Hello, my name is Priya Paneru, and in this week, I will be reflecting on what I learned in week 1 to week 4 of my project and quality management. So, let's move on to week 1. Um, in week 1, I learned that a project is a temporary activity that is carried out to achieve a unique objective. Projects have a clear beginning and end, and they are different from routine operations. One important concept I learned is the three constraints, which are scope, time, and cost. These three elements are closely connected, so if one changes, it can affect the others as well. I also learned that project success is not just about completing the tasks, but also about meeting stakeholders' expectations. Stakeholders such as sponsors, team, and users play an important role in influencing the success of a project. Moving forward to week 2. In week 2, about um, I learned that projects cannot be managed in isolation and it must always align with the organizational goals. The system view helped me understand that projects are part of larger organizational environment and decision made in a project can impact a business as a whole. I also learned about different organizational structures such as functional, project-based, and metrics, um, and how they affect communication and decision making. Another key point was that stakeholder involvement and top management support is very important for a project to be a successful project as they provide direction, resources, and approval. Moving on to week 3, I learned about the 5 project management process groups, which are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. These process groups provide a structured way to manage projects from start to end, out of which planning is very important because it defines scope, time, and risks. I also learned about waterfall and agile. Waterfall is a structured and sequential approach, whereas agile is more flexible and allows change throughout the project. From my opinion, Agile is more suitable for IT projects where requirements are changed often um, and it's not known at the starting of the project as it focuses on collaboration and continuous improvement. Moving on to week 4, I learned about project time management and importance of delivering projects on time. It's very important because completing project on time is seen as one of the most challenging jobs in a project development process. The process includes defining activities, sequencing tasks, duration estimation, developing a schedule. I also learned about different tools such as Gantt chart, network diagram, critical path. Gantt chart shows timelines, network diagram shows task relation, and critical path is the longest sequence of activities in a project. If activity on the critical path is delayed, any activity on critical path is delayed, the entire project will be delayed. So it's very important. Um, Before studying project management, I thought management was basically about planning tasks and deadlines. But after this subject, my understanding changed. And now I see it as a broader process that involves managing people, risks, and organizational system. Um, if I were to develop a mobile app, I would use agile method because there will be changes in the requirements of mobile app, and agile will be best to fit on those changes. While studying this subject, I had a lot of challenges on understanding Agile and Waterfall, but with time, I watched YouTube videos and with the help of lectures and practices, I got better in it. So these skills will be used. I can apply these skills in academic group projects for every unit of even this semester and upcoming future. I can apply it in IT project environments when I'll be working after I finish my studies. I can also apply it in my day to day activities as well. So that was all for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you.